Hello, second standard children. Today we are learning EVS in that our property. What is property? A thing or a thing that belongs to somebody is called the property. Now, property can be divided into two types, that is public property and private property. So, private property. Land or belongings to owned by a person or a group and kept for their exclusive use is known as private property. Private property is belonging to some particular person only. Okay. Public property. Something owned by the city, town or state is called the public property. Public property is provided for the use of public only. Public property is property that is dedicated to public use only, dear. Okay. That can be used only by public, and this is given facilities by the government to the public. See, examples for the various public properties are there. We are going to learn one by one. So the first one is post office. So post office is very useful. We send letters, we send makes a courier, and even nowadays we have a facilities of what, saving the money over there. Next, what you are going to find here, that will be bank. Again, bank will help to what? To lend the money. They give us loan and we can keep our money safely also in saving accounts. Hospital. When we go hospital, when we are ill, we need doctors to treat us. So hospital is also one of the facilities given by government to us. Next, public taps. Public tap is very necessity to use water for various purposes. After that, you are going to have a look for street light. Street light is very necessity when we travel on night in the road. Public toilets. The person who don't have toilet in their home, public toilets is been provided for such persons. Such facilities been provided. Bus station and railway station. Here we use for what? For the purpose of transportation of persons. It might be of any other things also, or if person only can travel here. This was one more facilities given by government to the public, and public is none other than we ourselves. Next, what you are going to learn? Fair price shop. Fair price shop is the thing where we buy our basic needs, that might be wheat, rice, dal, and many more examples. Next is going to come parks. Parks, for we go for what? To take fresh air, we go for walking, we take our children for the park. This is the very good facilities given by the government. Next what it is? Schools. Schools is provided for the education purpose of their children. Now, hence, we can say that the property used by all the people in town, villages is called public property. We should not destroy the public property but safeguard them, dear. How to safeguard the public property, dear? We should keep the public toilet clean. Second point will be, we should not litter the parks. Third one, we should not damage the public taps and street lights, dear. Okay. Fourth one, we should keep the bus station and railway station clean. Okay. Thank you for